digital images and using the map viewer. Once a search has been conducted, you will notice little images or thumbnails next to some of the catalogue entries. This means that the document in the listing has been scanned and it is available to view instantly, or you can pay to download a copy. If the catalogue entry says no image available, then you can either come into our office to view the document in person or request a copy. Where there is a thumbnail, you must be registered and signed in to be able to view the images attached. Once you have selected an image, the image will open in a separate viewer where you will be able to zoom in and view the document in detail. You will also find that some listings may have a single image, such as a photograph, or it may contain several images, which you can scroll through using the arrows. Sometimes you will need to pay for a copy of a digital image before you will be able to open the image and zoom in on details. If this is the case, click on the Ordering and Viewing tab and you will notice an extra button labelled Purchase. Click on this and you will be taken to a secure payment portal. You may be asked to re-enter your reader ID and password again, so have these to hand. You will then be taken to a summary of your order along with the total cost. If the information there is correct, click Proceed to Secure Area, where you will be able to fill out your payment details. Once you have made your payment, you will receive an email confirmation where you can download your image. Using our map viewer, you can view digitised historical maps of Wales. To do this, open our digital map viewer by clicking on the Maps tab at the top of the page. This will take you to a map of North Wales with a number of small dots and images. These are catalogue entries which have been assigned a geo-reference point to help find archive collections by location. Clicking on any one of these will take you to that particular catalogue entry. If you'd prefer not to see these images and pinpoints, click on the Places Maps button at the top of the map and in the Overlay Map drop-down, deselect Photos and Collections Base Layer. The default map is a modern OpenStreetMap. In the Overlay Map drop-down, you can change this to a number of map views, including historic and tide maps. This gives you the opportunity to view historic map layers, the most popular being the Welsh tide maps and the 2nd edition Ordnance Survey maps. Simply find and zoom into a place on the modern map and then select a historic map to overlay. You can adjust the transparency of the overlay map by dragging the slider in the chosen maps box.